Imagine cruising down the highway, enjoying the open road, until the unexpected happens. Maybe it's a fender bender, or worse, a major accident. In those moments, the last thing you want to worry about is whether your insurance has you covered. With so many insurance options out there, finding the right balance between affordability and reliability can be tough. In today's video, we're going to break down Ocean Harbor Auto Insurance. We'll cover its coverage options, pricing, monthly rates, and more. So if you want to learn how Ocean Harbor compares to other providers, make sure to check out autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to find the best deal for you. Finding affordable auto insurance can be challenging, especially if you're on a budget. Ocean Harbor Insurance Company offers an option for cost-conscious drivers, providing essential coverage at competitive rates. But how does it stack up against other insurers? Let's take a closer look at what Ocean Harbor has to offer. Ocean Harbor Auto Insurance stands out for its budget-friendly pricing, with policies starting at just $67 per month for drivers in Florida and California. While its coverage is limited to these two states, it remains an attractive option for those seeking affordable insurance. In addition, Ocean Harbor offers discounts of up to 10% for customers who bundle policies or maintain a safe driving record. These savings can make a significant difference for cost-conscious drivers. However, there are some downsides to consider. Ocean Harbor's coverage is restricted to Florida and California, limiting its accessibility. Additionally, the company lacks an online quote tool requiring potential customers to contact an agent for pricing and policy details. Despite these limitations, Ocean Harbor remains a strong choice for budget-conscious drivers. With a solid 2.9 overall rating and high marks for affordability and discounts. Choosing the right auto insurance is about balancing cost, coverage, and convenience. Ocean Harbor offers a low-cost option for those who qualify, but it's important to compare it with other providers to find the best fit. If you're looking for the best auto insurance options, head over to autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to compare Ocean Harbor with other top providers and find the right coverage at the best price. Understanding your auto insurance coverage is crucial for protecting both your financial well-being and peace of mind. Ocean Harbor Auto Insurance offers a variety of coverage options tailored to meet diverse needs. Let's explore these options. To begin with, liability coverage serves as the foundation of your auto insurance policy. This essential coverage addresses your legal responsibility for bodily injury to others or damage to their property when you're at fault in an accident. Expanding upon personal safety, personal injury protection, PIP. Often referred to as no-fault insurance, it ensures that medical bills, lost wages, and other related costs for you and your passengers are covered, regardless of who caused the accident. In scenarios where other drivers may lack sufficient insurance, the uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage steps in to protect you. This coverage ensures you're safeguarded if involved in an accident with a driver lacking adequate insurance, covering medical expenses and damages. When it comes to repairing your own vehicle after an accident, collision coverage plays a pivotal role. This aspect of your policy pays for damages to your vehicle resulting from collisions, irrespective of fault. Finally, for incidents beyond collisions, comprehensive coverage offers protection. This coverage safeguards against damages to your vehicle from non-collision incidents like theft, vandalism, or natural disasters. Selecting the appropriate coverage is a vital step toward comprehensive protection on the road. To ensure you're obtaining the best coverage at a competitive price, visit autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to compare top-rated insurers instantly. One of the most appealing aspects of Ocean Harbor Auto Insurance is its affordability. For residents in Florida and California, minimum coverage starts at just $67 per month, making it a solid budget-friendly option. Ocean Harbor Auto Insurance offers several discounts to help policyholders save on their premiums. First, they provide Safe Driver Discount, rewarding those who maintain a clean driving record. This incentive encourages safe driving habits and acknowledges individuals who prioritize safety on the road. Next, there's the Multi-Policy Discount. By consolidating your insurance needs with Ocean Harbor, you not only simplify your coverage, but also benefit from reduced rates across your policies. Additionally, if you choose to pay your premium upfront, you can benefit from a paid-in-full discount, leading to additional savings. This option allows you to avoid monthly installment fees and enjoy a lower overall premium. These discounts can significantly lower your premium, making comprehensive coverage more accessible. So if you're interested in seeing how Ocean Harbor's rates compare with other top providers, visit autoinsurance.org. Using our free comparison tool, you can quickly and easily compare rates from top insurance providers, ensuring you find the best coverage options tailored to your specific needs and budget. Before choosing an insurer, it's essential to consider the experiences of other customers and evaluations from reputable rating agencies. Let's explore how Ocean Harbor Auto Insurance has received mixed reviews across various platforms. According to J.D. Power, Ocean Harbor received a score of 746 out of 1,000, indicating below-average customer satisfaction. This suggests that policyholders may have experienced issues with aspects such as claims processing or customer service. The Better Business Bureau, BBB, holds a B rating, reflecting below-average business practices. This rating implies potential concerns regarding the company's operational standards and ethical considerations. Consumer Reports assigns Ocean Harbor a score of 62 out of 100, indicating mixed customer feedback. This rating could be related to issues like claim denials, delays, or unsatisfactory customer support. AM Best has assigned Ocean Harbor a B rating, signifying fair financial strength. This rating reflects an adequate ability to meet ongoing insurance obligations, but suggests that the company may be more vulnerable to adverse economic conditions compared to higher-rated insurers. While Ocean Harbor offers competitive rates, these ratings highlight potential challenges in customer satisfaction and business practices. It's essential to weigh these factors alongside cost when choosing an insurer. For a more comprehensive comparison and to explore top-rated insurers with strong customer feedback, visit autoinsurance.org. Using our free comparison tool, you can find the best coverage options tailored to your needs. Now let's delve into the advantages and disadvantages of Ocean Harbor Insurance Company to provide a comprehensive understanding. First, Ocean Harbor offers affordable minimum coverage, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious drivers seeking essential protection. Next, the company is ideal for those with lower credit scores, as it provides more flexible terms compared to some competitors, ensuring broader accessibility. However, it's important to consider the potential drawbacks. In terms of customer satisfaction, there have been reports of delays in claims processing, indicating below-average satisfaction among policyholders. Regarding availability, Ocean Harbor's services are limited to Florida and California, which may not be suitable if you reside outside these states. While Ocean Harbor may be suitable for some drivers, it's advisable to compare multiple insurers before making a final decision. Visit autoinsurance.org and use our free comparison tool to find the best coverage options tailored to your needs. Ocean Harbor Insurance Company offers affordable rates and flexible coverage options, but its lower customer satisfaction and limited availability might be deal breakers for some. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button to let us know this video helps you understand the Ocean Harbor Auto Insurance Review. Share your thoughts in the comments below about your experience with Ocean Harbor Auto Insurance. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more expert insurance reviews and money-saving tips. Finding the right auto insurance is all about balancing cost, coverage, and customer service. Make sure to choose wisely. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.